I want to show you the exact Fiverr gig that started generating $100 per day for me when I'm just building online as a freelancer. This is not theory, this is not guru promise, this is actual gig that sells in the online space, and I'm going to give you every details of it, from the gig, how I set it up, how I rank it, from the client acquisition system that most freelancers never figure out, the ChatGPT prompts that is behind every order, and the ChatGPT prompt that I use to profile myself for this service. So stay to the end of this video because I'm giving you the full prompt, copy and paste templates that you will use for all of this setup and how to fulfill this order when you get one, right? So if all of this being said, guys, I want you to like this video, share with your friends, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification so anytime I drop an new video like this, YouTube is going to notify you so you can come over right here and take action as soon as possible. So the gig I'm talking about is AI business writing and copywriting. You see, this particular gig has been one of my core skills that I've been using to make a living since I get started online. You see, this is not because I'm good at it or anything of such, but this is something that is very, very high in demand in the online space because businesses always want to write, they want to build their website, they need copies, they want to sell products, they need copy, they want to run ads, they need copy. So all of these things is what makes this skill sell in the online space. AI business writing and content writing or copywriting. You see, now the very first thing that you need to do when you want to sell this service is to master all the copywriting framework, which I would love to make a video about how you can get started as a copywriter in the online space. Maybe in the next video of this series, I'm going to make that video so you can learn this skill as well. And the reason why I want you to learn this is because you don't need to prompt AI to do everything for you. You have to use your head, your psychology, and everything that needs to be done to get the best of the perfect copies that you can deliver to your client. And this is what builds your credibility with the client in the online space so you can make more money for yourself, right? And I want you to know this is not a get rich quick business. This is a step-by-step process that if you implement on your own, you can get the results for yourself. I've tried it, it works for me, and I'm sharing my experience so you too, you can copy it and do it for yourself, then you can get your results, right? You see, something is very, very important when you are working online. The result doesn't matter, is what you do on a daily basis to get the result that matters. So, and that's what I want you to do right now. So the very first thing is to learn this copywriting skill, and before you are waiting for the video, you can probably go over on the internet and search copywriting framework, so you learn all of this framework for you to know the right framework that you can use for any copy. Imagine a client is trying to sell a product and you are using a framework that is going to talk about maybe a problem and all of those stuff. So you have to understand the copywriting framework than just AI. Even if you are going to use AI along the line, you will know the right prompts to give AI. So like I said, the very first thing now is to learn all of this business model, as I said, like this. So learn this, or you can drop a comment in the comment section and request for this video, and I will shoot it as soon as possible. Now the second one is how you are going to craft your Fiverr offer. You see, I understand the struggle on Fiverr. You don't need to be a writer, you don't need to be an expert. All you need to do is to follow this process, right? And I understand that most people have their gig set up on Fiverr waiting for order perfectly, but still they don't get the order, right? You see, the missing P is not the order, it's not the ranking, it's not the gig, it's not the search tag, it's not your thumbnail, right? The missing P is how you acquire clients outside waiting for Fiverr order. I'm going to come back later. So now let's work on how you can craft your Fiverr offer. The very first thing that I always say when you want to sign up on Fiverr is to be professional, right? You need a good headshot picture that's going to look straight to camera like this. This is what clients is going to see to trust you first. And the next one is how to craft your offer, your title, your description, your requirements, and everything. You see, I've linked the prompt in the description of this video. Just click on that. The prompt is going to give you my honest template that I use to write all of these things to position myself rightly on Fiverr for clients to buy from me, right? So, but there are some other things that you need to pay close attention to, which is your gig image. It must be eye-catchy, it must be connecting with clients, it must be client focused, and I've made a video on that as well, on how you can design your gig image, and you can find the link to the video in the description of this video as well. So you see, all of these things that I just explained is very, very simple and easy to do. Once you can follow the process that I just shared, use all of the template that I said to craft your Fiverr account, and then you can now position yourself to get clients. You see, now here is the honesty. Everything I just showed you works on Fiverr and you can get order, but not as consistent as if you look out for clients to work with outside freelance platforms. So for you to start getting order back to back, you need to go outside of Fiverr and you can get to do more outside freelance platforms to get clients to work with you. And you don't need to stress yourself about anything. All you need to do is to build a system with the workflow that I've prepared for you. Right here on my screen, you can see I've prepared this course for you that I've showed to over 176 people, and a whole lot of them have been getting results result. As you can see on my screen right now, you can see a whole lot of testimonial about this particular course on how you can get freelance clients outside marketplaces. No matter the skill that you have, no matter the service you are selling, this particular course is going to train you on how to build your personal branding, how to get clients, how to pitch to clients. Even I give a template on how to send cold DMs to clients and get to land a job for yourself, right? And that's what all of these people that you see their results have been doing it to get clients outside freelance marketplaces. They don't wait for other, they go for the opportunity and they do not wait for it to come to them. Right now, inside this course, you can see right there, I shared everything that I know that I've been using that is working perfectly over the time with you. As you can see, when you understand the new client acquisition game, creates value, freelancer identity, your magnetic online presence setup, Facebook scouting, LinkedIn, Instagram, X, Thread, TikTok, Reddit, Discord, Facebook, Telegram, India account, Google Map, Yelp, and all of those stuff, build with leads, Facebook ads, Google ads, and everything. You can see templates and resources right here where I have every template that you can use to land clients outside freelance platform. And this is something that I designed in reference for you to learn about how you can get clients and stop waiting for Fiverr order, so you can go out there and get the opportunity that is sitting out there instead of you waiting for it to come to you, right? So with this, you can get to set your targets, control your order, control your finances, and you can get to do so much more for yourself. So all you need to do to get access to this particular course right now is to click the first link in the description of this video. It's going to take you to the sales page of this course where you can read and see all of the testimonial that I just shared and other stuff or such that can even pique your interest for you to get started right immediately. And this slot is only available for less than 30 people. So if you are watching this video right now and you want to leverage on this, click the first link in the description of this video, get your access, and bet everything on me while I hold your hands through all of this process. It's one-on-one coaching. After you watch this course, you will be added to a group where I can get to give you updates back to back, hold your hands, and help you scale in the online space without stress, right? So all you need to do now is to click the first link in the description of this video, like this video as well, share with your friends, subscribe to this channel, and let us grow up together in the online space. Remember, strategy beats looks every time in the online space. So that's all I have for you right now in this video today. I will see you in the next one. Until then, guys, stay at peace.